Setting up a business email doesn't have to be complicated, even if you're not tech savvy. Stick with me because today we're walking through Neo. If you've ever tried setting up professional emails for your businesses and thought, why is this so complicated? Well, this video is for you. Most people don't need enterprise level chaos. They just want a clean, professional email that just works. And today, that's why we're looking at Neo Mail. We're going to be covering what this is, how it works, and why, for a lot of people, it's honestly a better option than Google Workspace or even Zoho Mail. Now, Neo Mail is a modern business email platform designed specifically for small businesses, founders, freelancers, and non-technical users. It gives you a professional email address, your own domain, and it's got a bunch of productivity tools as well, without forcing you to understand IT. This isn't enterprise software shrunk down. It's a tool built from the ground up for people who just want to get online and get to work. Now, let's be honest, Google Workspace and Zoho Mail aren't that bad, but they're built for scale, not simplicity. And you usually need to buy a domain separately, connect hosting, manually configure DNS records, and then learn a dashboard full of features that you'll basically never touch. For technical users, that step alone is enough to delay launching a business by days or even weeks. And that is exactly where Neo solves this problem. With Neo Mail, setup is guided from start to finish. If you don't already have a domain, Neo will give you one. If you do have a domain, Neo automatically configures it for you, no guessing and no pasting records. You'll literally walk through each step, and by the end of it, your professional email is live. For beginners, this is a massive deal. You're not stuck Googling tutorials or watching outdated YouTube videos. And from day-to-day use, this isn't just email. Once you're inside of Neo Mail, it feels refreshingly clean. Email management is simple, organized, and focused on productivity, not admin work. You also get built-in productivity tools designed for everyday business workflows, so you're not bouncing between 5 different apps. You can see here we've got Mail, we've got Site, which is an AI site builder, you've got a calendar, contacts, admin page, bookings, and Flock chat as well. And because everything is connected, it feels like one system instead of separate tools stitched together. Now, where does Neo really stand out compared to the competitors? Well, what they've got is this site system, so you can use AI to build a site or you can connect your site very, very easily. So let's say we want to edit our site here. You can see we have a whole system and platform here that we can use to create a perfect site for our customers. This is where Neo quietly separates itself from most email providers. Neo includes free AI-powered website builder tools, and that means you can launch a basic website, landing page, business page, and contact page without paying for hosting or hiring a developer. There's no WordPress setup, no plugins, and no extra accounts needed. And because your email and website are live in the same ecosystem, everything just works together. For someone launching a business from zero, this removes a huge amount of friction. Now, if you're a large company with IT staff, Google Workspace does make sense. But if you're a solo founder, freelancer, or a small team, Neo Mail is often the smarter choice here. It's more affordable, easier to use, faster to set up, and built around real-world workflows, not corporate infrastructure. So you spend less time configuring tools and more time actually building your business. So Neo Mail is perfect if you're non-technical, just starting out, or tired of overly complex tools. It gives you everything you need to look professional online without any real learning curve. So if you want a professional email, a domain, and an online presence without the headache, Neo Mail is absolutely worth checking out. Use the exclusive link in the description to start your Neo Mail account and claim your special discount today. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.